Let's learn Thinkin Bout You. It's choreographed by Amy Glass. It is a 32 count, 4-wall, low intermediate level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, and then go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Thinkin Bout You. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do 2 walks forward, step right, left. You're now going to quickly rock your right foot to the right side, recover onto your left, and step forward with your right. We're now going to quickly step our left foot to the left side, slightly angling our body to the right, and then step your right next to your left. We're going to cross our left over our right, squaring back up to the 12 o'clock wall. Now we're going to do an 8th lock step back, turning over your left shoulder. You're going to make an 8th turn, stepping back with your right foot to face 10:30. Cross your left over your right, step back with your right. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left doing your walks. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 2, we're going to step back with our left and sweep our right from front to back. Step back with your right and sweep your left from front to back. We're now going to do a left coaster step, stepping your left foot back, right together, left forward, and you're still into the 10-30 diagonal. From here, we're going to do a forward side sailor step, and in total, it's going to make a 5/8 turn, so you're going to end that facing the 6 o'clock wall. So we're going to step forward with our right foot, squaring ourselves back up to the 12 o'clock wall. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side to face 3 o'clock, and we're going to do a quarter turning sailor step with a cross. So you're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder as you cross your right behind your left, step your left foot to the left side, and cross your right over your left to face 6 o'clock. Now, you want this step side sailor to gradually make that 5/8 turn. So you have that whole time to kind of allow yourself to make that turn to come to 6 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our lock step back. You're doing your step and sweep. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to do a big step to the left, dragging your right foot into your left, and then we're going to do a ball crossing shuffle, bringing your right foot in and next to your left, and then crossing shuffle left over right, cross left over right, right side, left over right. We're going to step our right foot to the right side, and as we do that, we're going to bump our hip right, left, and then as you bump right, you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 3 o'clock, and then we're going to do a left coaster step, stepping your left foot back, right together, left forward. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our sailor cross, so you're going to do your big step to the left. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do a right rocking chair. So you're going to rock forward with your right foot, recover back onto your left, rock back with your right foot, recover forward on your left. Step forward with your right foot, do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 9 o'clock. And then we're going to do an out, out, in. And when you go out, out, you want to come up on the balls of both feet. So we're going to step our right foot out to the right side, step your left foot out to the left side, up onto your tippy toes, step your right foot center, and then step your left next to your right. And then you're ready to start the dance over again. So let's try that with some counts, facing 3 o'clock, doing your rocking chair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left, doing your walk. Walk, walk, quick side rock, step, and together, cross, 8th lock, step, back, back, sweep, coaster, step, forward, side, turning, sailor, step, side, drag, ball, crossing, shuffle, bump, and quarter sit, coaster, step, rocking chair, half pivot. Now you're out, 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 in. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your walk. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. You really want to make sure, for styling purposes, that you make that step side sailor really gradually make that 5/8 turn. I like to make my sailor do the bigger portion of the turn and my steps be smaller, but as long as you are stepping right, left, sailor, cross, and make that 5/8 turn with each time to end facing 6 o'clock, then you will be on rhythm with the dance. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left. We're starting with our walk. Walk, walk, quick side rock, step, side together, cross, 8th lock, step, back, back, sweep, coaster, step, forward, side, turning sailor, cross, side, drag, ball, crossing, shuffle, bump, quarter sit, coaster, step, rocking chair, half pivot, out, out, in. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Walk, walk, quick side rock step, together, cross eighth, lock step, back sweep, coaster step, forward side turning sailor, cross side drag, ball crossing shuffle, now you're bump and quarter sit, coaster step, rocking chair, half pivot, out, out, in, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. The dance does end facing 12 o'clock, so you don't have to worry about an ending. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Thinking About You. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.